Hi, this is Nicholas Vardy, and welcome to this week's edition of Swing Trading Nick's Picks. In this series of bi-weekly videos, I offer viewers like you a sample recommendation of the kind of actual recommendations I offer to my subscribers at Oxford Swing Trader. And if you never want to miss one of my swing trading videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way you'll get instant notification when I post a new video. And if you're new to swing trading, check out my Swing Trading Explained video to learn how it works. There's a link to that video in the description below. Now let's get into this week's new recommendation. Founded in 1971 and headquartered in Memphis, Tennessee, FedEx is the world's largest express transportation company. One positive consequence of the global pandemic is that companies have been improving their online presence. And while lockdowns may be a thing of the past, once the pandemic is over, that doesn't mean that all consumers will be flocking back to their local mall. This makes FedEx, a leader in logistics, a hot stock to invest in. As companies like Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy rise in popularity and generate more revenue on their platforms, the demand for FedEx's services is only set to grow. In 2020, online spending in the US rose by 44% compared to the previous year. That's the highest annual growth rate in decades. And as e-commerce grows, so too will the demand for logistics companies like FedEx. For the 9-month period ending February 28th, FedEx's sales of $61.4 billion grew 18.4% from the previous year. Lower fuel costs and greater efficiencies also helped FedEx's bottom line to double during that time to $3.4 billion. Consensus estimates for FedEx's earnings have also been revised upward by 5.78% over the past month. Yet, as the chart above confirms, FedEx has pulled back 5.6% below its recent peak of $294.76 that it reached on April 13th. That's precisely the kind of pattern we are looking for as swing traders. No wonder FedEx has triggered 5 of the Oxford Swing Trader algorithms. Let's now look at the Oxford Swing Trader parameters. The last closing price for the stock was $278.26 as of this recording. The trade setup was the Swing Trader algorithms firing on the channel system, the overreaction system, and the classic 5 days down pattern. The stock also is oversold on the RSI and exhibited a bullish 1SD move. So the recommendation is this: try not to pay more than $282 for FedEx stock. Set your stop loss at $267 or about 4% below the current closing price. Our target price is $294.50 or about a 5.8% gain. So the recommendation is buy FedEx, ticker symbol FDX at market today. Set your stop at $267. As always, be patient. Place a limit order to get the price you want. Intraday volatility is your friend. So there you have it, a real live solid swing trading recommendation from Oxford Swing Trader. Now, just to be clear, I can't guarantee that all my swing trade recommendations will be winners. Some market conditions are more favorable to swing trading than others. But remember, Oxford Swing Trader recommends an average of 2 swing trades like this each week. So you'll have plenty of opportunities, about 100 a year in fact, to generate quick gains using swing trading strategies. And for my paid subscribers, I also always offer an option recommendation along with each pick. These option recommendations have the potential to really turbocharge your returns. Again, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my next edition of Swing Trading Nick's Picks. That way you'll get instant notification when I post a new recommendation. And if you want even more trades like these, then I urge you to check out a conversation I had with Russell B., a happy subscriber to Oxford Swing Trader, at the link in the description below. Or you can call our sales team at 888-570-9830 to learn more. Stay tuned for my next edition of Nick's Picks 2 weeks from today. Thanks for watching.